The Pacific Ocean. The Earth has 5 oceans. They are the Antarctic, Arctic, Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. It covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. This ocean is bigger than all the land on the Earth. The Pacific Ocean is also the Earth's deepest ocean. Its average depth is about 3,800 meters. Because the Pacific Ocean is so big, there are many continents around it. It touches South America and North America to the east. It also touches Asia and Australia to the west. The Pacific Ocean is big enough to be home to many sea animals. In this ocean, you can find large animals like whales, sharks, and dolphins. You can also find smaller animals like stingrays and eels. The name Pacific means peaceful. However, there is plenty of danger in this ocean. Earthquakes and tsunamis often occur in the Pacific Ocean. Most of the Earth's volcanoes are located there too. Around the Pacific Ocean, many volcanoes form a ring underneath the sea. This area is called the Ring of Fire.